Hi everybody, today's focus, I am testing Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner to see how well it removes bacteria from my home. This video is a viewer request. My viewer Heather mailed me this bottle of Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner and I'm going to test it for you today, Heather. Since this is an all-purpose cleaner, we'll be testing it on hard surfaces. So in order to test how well this cleaner works, what I'm going to do is take a Petri dish just like this guy here and label them A, B, and C. I'm going to take some sterile swabs and I'm going to swab various areas around my home, including my kitchen sink drain, bathroom sink, and toilet rim. I'm going to place that sample in the section labeled B for before. Then I'm going to clean according to the directions on the bottle, which we'll read in a second. Swab the area again and place that sample in the section labeled A for after. So this way we'll be able to see how much bacteria is on a surface before and after cleaning with this Method Antibac product. So let's read the directions and see how we're supposed to use the product. First thing I'm noticing on the front, it says Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner and it says it is citron scent. It does say antibacterial and kills 99.9% of household germs. There is an asterisk, so let's see where that goes to. Over here, I think. Kills 99.9% of household germs, including influenza A, Staph aureus, rhinovirus, salmonella on hard non-porous surfaces. Okay, that's good. That's good to hear. It says it's safe to use on kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans, and directions for use. Here we go. There are cleaning instructions, disinfecting instructions, and sanitizing instructions. If you just want to use it to clean, you can just spray a surface and wipe clean, to get off the surface dirt of an area. To disinfect, you spray until thoroughly wet and let stand for 10 minutes. Then wipe clean. To sanitize non-food contact, hard, non-porous surfaces, spray until thoroughly wet, let stand for 5 minutes. It does have a warning on the back here. It says, psst, which is really funny. Do not use on natural stone, brass, or varnished wood. For all other surfaces, test in inconspicuous area. That's good to know because my bathroom counters are stone, so I won't use this on my bathroom counters. Always good to read the labels so you don't ruin a surface. Alright, so let's see how well this Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner removes bacteria from my home. Now for some results. The kitchen sink. In the before section, we can see a tremendous amount of bacteria, and in the after section, there's no bacterial growth at all. So the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner did an excellent job removing the bacteria from my kitchen sink. The kitchen sink drain. In the before section, we can see a tremendous amount of bacteria, and in the after section, there's about a dozen bacterial colonies. So we most certainly see a tremendous decrease in bacteria. So the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner did a great job of removing the bacteria from my kitchen sink drain. The bathroom sink. In the before section, we can see a lot of bacteria, and in the after section, there's just one bacterial colony. So the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner did an excellent job removing the bacteria from my bathroom sink. The toilet rim. In the before section, there is a tremendous amount of bacteria, and in the after section, there's no bacterial growth at all. So the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner did a fantastic job of removing the bacteria from my toilet rim. Overall, the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner did a fantastic job of removing the bacteria from the hard surfaces around my home with a sit time of 5 minutes. I will say at about that 5-minute mark, it started to dry up quite a bit. So if you are looking to do the disinfecting directions, which is let sit for 10 minutes, and that will include viruses as well as the bacteria, so you might need to respray it maybe at about that 5-minute mark so that it remains wet for the full 10 minutes. As for the scent of this product, Heather mailed me citron scent. She did warn me and she said that this scent is really strong, and she offered to mail me a different scent because there's different types of scents for this product. I said, why don't you mail me exactly what you use at home so you know what I'm testing is exactly the product that you use at home. It is a strong scent. It's a very strong citrus scent. It's not light like the Method of the Merchants and Hume. It definitely is a strong citrus scent, and it's not anything like a 409 or anything like that, but it is a strong citrus scent. It didn't linger very long, but you most certainly can smell it. So thank you, Heather, for mailing me the Method Antibac All-Purpose Cleaner. I had a great time testing it, and I hope you enjoyed these results. If there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section, and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list, or you can do what Heather did and mail me something. My email address is in the description below. Send me an email and let's have a conversation about the product. It might be something I've already tested, it might be something that I have in queue at home, or it might be something that I just don't have the ability to test. If it's something that I can test, I'll give you my timeline and my mailbox address so you can mail me it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.